Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Livia 90 from Pasquini. And this is some warranty work we're doing on this machine. It had came back for a few issues. One, that the machine was, at least it looked like it was overheating. And then also, when you crank the steam on, this is hot right now, sometimes it would actually, get rid of all the pressure. And what what that is a new vacuum release valve. So what this does is it allows some of your steam or pressure that's inside your steam boiler to escape before getting fully pressurized, and then it'll actually close if you pull it all the way up, but the steam will actually pull it all the way up. The issue is that if it leaks or a little bit, it'll actually create a vacuum. That's why it's called the vacuum release valve. It will create a vacuum in your steam wand, and it would suck, instead of shooting steam out, it actually suck milk up. And so we replaced that under warranty, just something that just happens. Old valves, you just want to replace them, especially that one. That one's important. Now, we replaced the pressure stat originally on the first time we repaired this machine, and this is the same one that we just put in. This is the one after the first service, and the scale buildup on this thing is really bad. I don't know if you could, it's going to be hard to see. The customer will probably see it when they do get here, but it's just really bad. And we serviced this thing I think it was either 2 months ago or some along the lines, but this is really bad for only a few months. So I would suggest looking into your water. We would recommend not using any sort of osmosis water or anything along the lines. Just use some normal water, test it first, but this is really bad for scale buildup. And you would be able to see that when you do come inside. But yeah, this is literally a brand new pressure stat. Already looks old. So yeah, we're going to turn this on, and we're just going to get a little bit more steam just to show you that the steam one actually does work. Tested it a few times after installing a new one, made sure for leaks, and tested to see if it would actually create a vacuum. I have yet to get a vacuum out of it. And so yeah, and now we're just going to test this one last time, just for the video. We're just going to test the steam one because the rest of the machine has always been running properly after the service. But yeah, so we're just going to let that wait a little bit, and then we'll get back to using the steam. Alright, now that we have steam, we're just going to turn this on, and as you can see, running really well. Again, your pressure is still there. There's none of that fake pressure anymore. There's no vacuum inside of your steam boiler, so it's all good. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.